Welcome back to CultureKids, where we talk about Korean culture and also learn the Korean language, Hangul. In today's language episode, we are going to learn some new Korean words. Make sure to stick around till the end to test your newfound knowledge. And most importantly, have fun! This is the bird edition. Bird is 새 in Korean. I will read the English name, then I will read it in Korean twice. Make sure to repeat the Korean after me. Parrot, 앵무새, 앵무새. Chicken, 닭, 닭. Crow, 까마귀, 까마귀. Peacock, 공작, 공작. Sparrow, 참새, 참새. Ostrich, 타조, 타조. Eagle, 독수리, 독수리. Duck, 오리, 오리. Swan, 백조, 백조. Seagull, 갈매기, 갈매기. Pigeon, 비둘기, 비둘기. Now it's time for our first quiz. I will say the Korean word and you choose the correct picture. 준비, 시작. 비둘기, 오리, 앵무새. Great job! Now it's time for quiz number 2. This time, I will show you a picture and you name it in Korean. 준비, 시작! 닭, 닭. 까마귀, 까마귀. 갈매기, 갈매기. Thank you so much for watching and hope you had a lot of fun. Make sure to subscribe to stay connected and until next time, keep up the great work. 안녕!